This is the kind of problem that can get you in trouble because they typically will mess with the X and Y axes here. So we want to check for that just before we even think about what the problem is. And we look at these and we see that it's incrementing evenly. It starts in 1960, and then here they're telling us that all these numbers represent billions. It starts from 0, goes to 100, and it evenly goes up incrementally. So now we can get into the question, since we see this is not too tricky of a graph. According to the line of best fit in the scatter plot above, which of the following best approximates the year in which the number of miles traveled by air passengers in country X, and that's this whole thing here, was estimated to be 550 billion. So we look at 500, we look at 600 here because this is what they're talking about for billions, for miles traveled. And we see that halfway through there must be the 50 mark. And we go all the way there to the line itself. And we drop it down here. And what we can see is that we go from 2000 to 2010, which must mean that this line that I didn't draw, this one right here that I'll highlight now in yellow, this line right here, that must be 2005. And it's before that. So it's definitely not D, but it's not B because it's not all the way there to that far left. And so it must be C.